Alright, what up YouTube? We're out here today getting ready to do some ice fishing. Anchor Bay, Lake St. Clair. We're gonna get out there, see if we can't get on some perch. Let's do it. Let's do it. What up, guys? Heading out right now to Fairhaven. DNR boat launch over here off Dixie Highway, aka 23 Mile, Fairhaven, Michigan. Heading down right now. Gonna see if we can get on some nice perch, maybe some nice crappie. Never know. Gonna stop at the bait shop, Anglers Blue Water, get some minnows. And we're gonna get out there and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, what up YouTube? We're walking out now. Gonna find ourselves a spot. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Got the shanty. Go see if we can get on some perch, man. Alright, what up YouTube? We're out here. I got my hole drilled. It's some thick ice. We're talking a good 7 to 8 inches. Took me a minute to get through it. I need to get my auger sharpened. Shout out Anglers Point. Tell them a dozen minnows, they give you about 3 dozen. So they're not stingy at all. I'm just gonna grab myself a little minnow here. Rig him up. Gonna rig him through the top lip. If I can get a hold of him here. Okay, we got our minnow down. It's on early right now still. It's only about 7:54 and I can see bottom. It's a nice day. So we're just gonna get our line set up. All right. We got our minnow down there. I got a golden willow set up on here. I'm thinking about switching it up. Going with one of these. Already pre-set up. My buddy told me that jigging wraps are doing good. So I have to hook something like that up, I don't know. Just got the first fish of the day here. Little perch. Got it on a trusty old minnow. Not a keeper, but first fish of the year for Big Al. Just going back in, a little dinker. Still got our minnow. We're sending him back down. Hopefully we can get some slabs here soon. Just got another perch here. Not a little bad one. We're gonna set him to the side. There's a big walleye down in there. I just seen a big walleye. I gotta get rigged back up. That was a good looking fish right there. That was a nice walleye, boys, let me tell you. That was a nice walleye, man. If I could get that, I'd be happy. So there's a decent amount of activity below, but fortunately it's a lot of dinks. So that's no good. Hoping for a nice slab to come along here. Oh. There's a decent one. There we go. Oh, another dink. And he unhooked himself and took my wax worm. Nice sunrise coming in this morning. I set my shanty up so I'd face it. That line is sticking. Side of the hole. There we go. Let's get back down in there, back in the fight. Looks like we got some dinks down here toying with us again. Got a minnow down there and a wax worm. About to have a dink hit a wax worm probably. They're slow biting out here today. It's real cold, man. And I heard a real good report from my buddies the last 2 days. They've been slamming them. So, I mean, I'm not surprised, kind of. It's the weekend, everybody and their brother is out here, man. Parking lot was almost full at 7 a.m. So, everybody's just out here to get on the ice. Happy to get on the ice. But the perch definitely moved into the bay over here by Fairhaven, the raft area, man. Fish on, a little dink. This is what I'm talking about right here, boys. These little perches. Another dink. Man, I seen a good walleye roll in earlier. I was hoping to get that motherfucker. There's another dink. Alright, what up YouTube? It's been about an hour now without a bite or even really seeing a fish. Had some good activity this morning around 8. But it was just a lot of dinks. I seen one nice walleye and a little fucking dink perch snatched it up, my bait up before that walleye could even get to it, and the walleye pulled off. So I'm just out here, I'm flipping a slab grabber right now. Hoping to lure in a nice fish here. It's a pretty cold day out here today. See what the temperature is. Yeah, it's only 6 degrees right now. So, not surprised it's a little slow. with this cold. Packing it up, boys. It's been pretty slow fishing. So, look how my ladle froze up. We're gonna head on back. Might come out here later tonight, definitely tomorrow. Got the next 2 days off, so we'll get out here again and see if we can't get on some real good fish. Today just wasn't producing for me. I came out here this morning before sunrise, got out here, set up. I seen a decent amount of activity. It was just all dink perch, so I'm gonna call it a trip. And until next time. Figure I'll give you guys a little inside view of my shanty too. This is the Bay Runner 2 by Chappelle, and it's a pretty nice little shanty. You got a sliding bench here, you know, electronic shelf right here. Obviously you can use it for other things. Nice area for holes. I mean, you could fit 3 people in here easily, no problems, 2 comfortably. You know, you got some windows and stuff here. There's a lot of guys out here today, so pretty nice shanty. I'm happy with it. Does the job. This is not the insulated version. I don't really think you need an insulated shanty in my opinion. I mean, it's 6 degrees out here today. I got a heater going, a little lantern going. I mean, that's enough, dude. That puts off enough heat to where you're comfortable. I'm in here in just a flannel. So if anyone's thinking about getting a shanty, consider the Chappelle Bay Runner 2. It's a nice little shanty, good amount of room. You got windows all over. Look out to the lake. It's beautiful out there today. Leaving Fairhaven right now. She's packed, boys. She is packed. We got guys on the grass, guys everywhere. I'm parking anywhere they can to get out on the ice.